ye ba fie na ye be di fie nkomo na efie nkomo na terms yensase emfa free baby di Africa ya ye Nelson African Cup of Nations Women Wafcon egusu achese no ekoso na uninse no na last group achese games no ekoso abra South Africa chi Mali abone kano enaya Mali antumi anti Ghana ebo Tanzania kano naya Tanzania etesa kanemu bako na so far groups standings no say enekoye Uramo Group A, Morocco etopu group with 7 points. Zambia tosmi with 7, and Senegal etosmi with 3. DR Congo etopu with 1 point. Group B, Nigeria etopu group with 7 points. Algeria tosmi 5. Botswana etosmi 3, and Tanzania etoso Nelson and 9 with 1 point. Group C, South Africa etopu group with 7 points. Ghana tosmi with 4. Mali Miensa with 4, and Tanzania etoso and 9 with 1 point. And Urama qualified countries, our quarter final say that here Morocco, Zambia, Nelson, Algeria, Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, Mali, and Senegal. And the quarter final games, and there are 2 screenings so ocean. Friday, watch us Nelson first game ever so Nigeria, our body at Zambia, 4 o'clock, and on side game no air paso, and Sana Urama, Friday corner, Morocco, the host nation, 7 o'clock, Wapo Eriatia Mali, Narama Saturday, Algeria, and so 4 o'clock on Ghana, and Apple, and South Africa, and so no at 7 o'clock on Senegal, and so Abo Sakimina, and we had the air course to woman, Afghan ceremony, Seneba, after the game between Tanzania, Ghana, no, and a head coach Edema Chesanon, Tanzania, Bakari Shame, at the air Tuja, as watch us a very bad day. Edema Tanzania and against the Black Queens of Ghana. Yenti Kuchino.
It was a bad day for me and my players in terms of the result of this match. It was very, very tough match for us. My players, they can't manage to back from fatigue the match against South Africa. So everything was down, the pressure of the teams, decision making. And the other side, our opponents came with a high pressing, don't give us time and space to play our style of play. So we make a mistake for the first goals, and then we equalize. But the second half, penalty was took out of confidence for my players. So all of us, it was a bad game for us. We are going to organize again.
Thank you, Coach. We're not going to...
Okay, I know I just said Coach Edman the Tanzania now, Sano Tima, and no Amonsu Eboritia Ghana, Bakari, Shame, and our Tin Kano. Now, and no Black Queens coach came last Nelson Jogren, and then some to draw, and also HMU as a huge accomplishment at Ghana, so also Tima qualified to the quarterfinals. We had just previous Afcon, of course, and a women performance. Guessing Edna didn't be amongst Edrunane, amongst Tima qualified quarterfinal. A very huge accomplishment at Ghana. Yentie Kimlas.
I believe a lot in the work we are doing, and I believe a lot in the girls. So I said it before. I said it yesterday. We're gonna win and we're gonna play the quarterfinal. Okay, and we are now doing it. Okay, so that haven't actually been so stressful for me. I'm completely honest with that. But I mean, it's a big thing. Ghana, they missed one tournament, and the last time they played it, it didn't qualify for the playoffs, the second phase. So of course that has been a big goal for us to take it to the playoff. And we know, like, now in the playoff, it's just one game and game by game, and all of the teams is super good. Everybody have been winning games, so of course, like, it's gonna be tough, but now is now, and then is later. Okay, so right now I'm just happy.
Yes, I know. I Kimla said Coach Edema the Black Queens of Ghana. And now Watson in Kano. Now Urama player of the match. I Santa Boy Loka. Sababa way and then some to that say, oh, you're so proud of the performance. And no, Black Queens Maba eternity. And I'm so. Amonso Timothy Tanzania, born a kind of Pornels and Anaya Mubako and a Tanzania Timothy Yenti Chantel.
My feeling, I don't even know. It's crazy, but no, I'm proud. I'm so proud of the girls. like they have my back out there today. I try and lead. I try and as everyone can see, I'm a character. I'm very vocal on the pitch. I try and push the team as much as they can. And today we went all out. We conceded the goal, which I take responsibility for. But then, as I look around, all the girls are picking me up. And that's what we needed today. That's what the coach wanted, and that's what I told the girls. We need a team. We're not going to win this game without being a team, and that's what we did every second of that game. It was just the team. So I'm so proud of the girls. I'm so proud of the fans. I'm proud of Ghana. I'm proud to be.
And no, a player of the match, Chantal Boy Loka. I can't hear about no a chuma baba way yen and yasen kitwa kwan de san semino to ja. Na osi nanin so to me afaji. Esenwa coach Kim Last and net to pitches babia. Onon so no watch as another position bebuano. I'm on so ultimately be on the field of play. Yenti Chantal.
I like being involved. We've got a lot of talented players who can run up and down that wing, and they love being on the line. So I'm glad the coach put me in a position where I can be a little bit everywhere. So yeah, I'm glad I could be in a more familiar role for myself, and we got the job done. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy. The player of the match award, we could have given it to any of them girls out there today. I want to share it with everyone, but of course I'm taking it, of course. But that's for everyone. That's for the coaches, as I said outside, the staff, the players, everyone. So yes, thank you from everyone.
Okay, I know I am Chantal, and so another son what's on that Chantal. Anyway, a chat to see and come be asante as a resource swap. Omuya editor Tanzania, no, mini everything to the girls.
Most that we can achieve, like there's no limit for me until the final result. Like the end goal is the end goal for me. And I forgot the rest of the question. The result means everything. Like it wasn't me personally. I said to the girls, I want more than 1 or 2 goals because I know we're capable of it. And today we didn't just get the goals; we got the performance. We wasn't playing to the other team's game. We know that we play our best football when we're actually playing football, and we get the ball down and we move it side to side and we combine with each other. And I think we did that today. We didn't just go long. We got it down. We played. So the result is amazing for one. It's amazing, but for me, it's the performance. It's the shift that the girls put in, the hard work we ran. We know Tanzania. Praises to them because they're a tough team. They run and run and run. And we knew that they was going to run, so we knew that we had to move the ball.
Hello, I am Chelsea player of the match, Chantal Boy Loka, and somebody at Chucha, Edmondson, Bana, Ababawa, Evelyn, Batu, Bunani, Abrabano, and after the killing of revenge, Ebesheko, Edwama, Yemina Koso, Edma, Black Queens of Ghana. No, didn't some else to just say, we are extremely excited. As I know, Utumia go Edma, the Black Queens of Ghana, Abua, Amagana, so no, Utumia qualify into the quarterfinal stage.
I'm extremely excited because we were disappointed about our first 2 games, and I think we spoke to ourselves that we need this win more than everyone. Even Ghanaians back home, we need this win more than them, and everyone can see we really show up today.
Yeah. Were you disappointed when you didn't start the game? And when you went in the second half, what did you tell yourself?
Honestly, I'm a player, so probably I'll be really a little bit disappointed though, but I think it's all about team. It's not about individual, and I feel like the coach also made a good decision, try some other players, and everyone really showed up. And I came in and also did my best, be on the score sheet, and help the team to get the maximum 3 points that we needed.
I mean, from here you take on Algeria in the quarterfinals. Ahead of that game, what will be preparation like? What will be good?
Okay, no, I just Evelyn Batu, striker Edma Nelson, the Black Queens of Ghana, Sama or the Etucha. Now, Ghana ambassador to Morocco, Charity Nelson, Aye Bedawo. Mamino Eden Sam Etucha after winner, and Black Queens, Enya Ebuama Monsono, Enya qualification to the next stage of the competition. Yenti Mamino.
Yes, indeed. The last time we spoke, I told that we didn't start on a very good note. We started with 2-0 South Africa. In the second game, we drew and we were not too happy. But after I had an encounter with the girls, I realized that they were very optimistic, and they raised my hope. And I was also very confident in them that they were going to make Ghana proud, and indeed they have done that. I told you earlier that they were having some challenges regard to their finance and things. But the Minister for Sports quickly intervened and dispatched the accounting officer to come and sort them out. So it also boosted their morale, with the little support that the embassy also gave. So we are not surprised. We are grateful to God that we have made it. And I know that they are going to make Ghana proud. In Jesus' name. With this just ended game, what we did for them to come to this stage, we'll continue to do it. I can't tell you the specifics. We'll continue to encourage them and do whatever we'll have to do in our own small way to keep their morale up.
Yes, I know. I am Amina Sanum. I say Ghana ambassador to Morocco. Honorable Charity Gotowa, and I want some what me after Tedmonson Eba.